Okay then, you have completed all 3 levels of CFA and planning to add CFA to your name. Quite exciting, right? But let me put a break to your ambition. Even if you've cleared all 3 levels of CFA, still you are not eligible for the CFA Charter Holder. Wait, what? All your hard work, your sacrifice, all worthless? The answer is big no. Here is a step-by-step guide on how to become a CFA Charter Holder. So hello guys, this is Ganesh Nayak. I help students to clear CFA and FRM exam, and I'm also a career coach. And if you're new here, make sure you subscribe to our channel because we regularly make videos on finance related content and that you can never afford to lose. So if you are an aspiring CFA aspirant or a candidate who is quite familiar with the CFA curriculum and you want to add CFA designation to your name, then the first and the foremost step is to clear all 3 levels of your CFA, which is level 1, level 2 and level 3. The second step, which is also very important, is the relevant work experience. For becoming a CFA charter holder, the next major hurdle is acquiring a relevant experience, because a CFA charter holder requires you to not only learn the theoretical aspect but also the practical aspect. Candidate must have relevant work experience as defined by the institute. This can include roles into investment decision making, producing work that informs investment decision to normal people and to your senior management in the company. It can also involve teaching finance or any other work experience related to investment regardless of any industry. At least 36 months of qualified work experience before, during or after completing the CFA program is needed. The third step to becoming a CFA charter holder is also very interesting and important, and also one of the most neglected steps by students, forgetting that if you want to become a CFA charter holder, you also have to become a CFA Institute member. Now, to be a member of the CFA Institute, you have to pay an annual membership fee to the institute. Then and then only you can become an active CFA charter holder. The fourth step is submitting references. Now, CFA Institute take this step very seriously. To complete your journey, you'll need to send professional references. Those references should confirm that you have a relevant work experience, and also this gives you an idea that you have been endorsed from the professional perspective, also to validate your professional character. Choose individuals who can speak for your qualification and also for your ethical conduct. 2 professional references if one of them is a current or a regular member of the local CFA society you're applying to, or 3 professional experiences if none of them is a current or regular member of the local CFA society. These references are very important for your preference. After completing all of these steps, then and then only you can call yourself charter holder, which has been provided by the CFA Institute. That's it guys for today's video. We're going to be coming up with more such interesting videos. If you have any comment, any question related to CFA or CFA charter, please put it on the comment section. We'll try to address it as soon as possible, and do subscribe to our channel for more such similar videos in the future.